While post-processing your images, you may find whites in your image are not truly white, and other colors are inaccurate too. This happens when the white balance of your camera is not set properly according to the available light. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix the white balance of an image during post-processing in Photoshop. For this tutorial, I am going to use a raw image, as it has much more details than JPEG files, but you may use a JPEG image as well. It will open up in the Camera Raw plugin. But we are going to redirect it to the main interface of Photoshop. To keep the image file non-destructive and convert it into a smart object, we are going to choose Open as Object. After it opens inside Photoshop, click here to create a new blank layer, or use its shortcut Shift-Control-N, and then OK. Next, go to Edit and then Fill, or its shortcut, Shift F5. Keep every option as it is, and hit OK. The blank layer will be filled with 50% neutral gray. Change the blend mode of the layer to difference. Now, keeping the gray layer selected, click here and select Threshold to create a threshold adjustment layer. As we have to work with this threshold now, we have to keep this threshold selected and not this mask. It has this histogram, where you can see this slider point is stationed at the extreme white point of the histogram. It's all black now, but as you slide it to left, it's slowly going to turn white. Note the change in the threshold value. Keep it between 25 to 30. Now press I to pick up the Color Sampler tool. If you don't see the Color Sampler tool, then long press left-click over the eyedropper tool to get this menu. You can change the sample area size from this drop-down menu. These black areas are the midtone, or gray regions of the image. Zoom into the black area, and click to mark it. Next, click on these eye buttons to turn off the layer visibility of these two layers. Select the original image layer, and click here to create a curve adjustment layer. These three are sample tools to set black, white, and gray points on the image. Click to pick up this sample tool for gray point, and click on the previously marked point. As soon as you click, it's going to color correct your image. Let's take another image. Let me quickly apply the same method to fix color correction. At this point, you may feel you are not satisfied with the result. You can easily change the color balance of red, green, and blue with this curve tool to fine-tune the white balance of the image.